Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Yakhni gravy. To begin, ensure you have your main ingredients ready. You'll need about 1 kilogram of your preferred meat, cut into 2-inch pieces. For the signature creamy texture, prepare 500 milliliters of well-whisked yogurt. Don't forget your aromatic whole spices, including cinnamon, bay leaves, and cardamom pods, along with 1 tablespoon each of ginger and fennel powder to build that authentic flavor profile. Next, we'll create the foundational broth. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pot, then add your whole spices and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. Introduce the meat, cooking it for approximately 7 minutes until it gains some color. Now, add 3 cups of water and salt to taste, then pressure cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the meat is tender. Carefully separate the cooked meat from the rich, aromatic broth, reserving both for later steps. Now, let's refine the gravy's creamy base. Take your 500 milliliters of whisked yogurt and ensure it's perfectly smooth. Transfer this to a separate cooking vessel and begin heating it over medium heat, stirring continuously. This constant stirring is crucial to prevent the yogurt from curdling. Continue to cook and stir until the yogurt has reduced by about half, a process that typically takes around 12 to 15 minutes, creating a thick, rich base. For the final touches, combine your elements to create the perfect Yakhni gravy. Pour the reserved meat broth into the reduced yogurt, simmering for about 4 minutes. Now, add the tender cooked meat pieces along with 1 tablespoon each of ginger and fennel powder. Continue to simmer the gravy for 15 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally until it reaches your desired thickness. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve this delicious, comforting dish hot with steamed rice or warm naan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.